Hey guys, hope everybody had a great weekend. I had a long weekend because on Fridays I don't do any trading. I look to take stuff off if I have any on Fridays. But today, Monday, April the 22nd. Going to try to make this short and sweet, go through the currencies here. The pound dollar, we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity. It's got to pull back down into here though, somewhere into here, but I've noticed that lurking down here at 119.74 that there is major support. Now we're about 370 away from that. So we may not or may not get there. But I'm going to look for a buy opportunity on the pound. Just needed to pull down more. This is not the opportunity right now. I'm going to take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour has got a buy, but it made some little bitty candles. This last one, and of course this one's going to be 2 because it's at the close. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. On the pound dollar, switch it back to the 1 hour. The Aussie dollar has made a... No, that's not right. How'd that arrow get there? That is messed up. That is not the right arrow. I'll have to try to fix that. Somehow that's missed. I may have to just reboot the Wanda, and it should probably fix that. Usually does. But anyway, the Aussie dollar is still in a buy, but it is getting close to support in here. This could continue higher because it's got to come up into here. So you got right up here and right up here. We had a flush down. We've gotten close to it coming up in here, but it should come up more up into here, and it's got potential up into here. So I'm not sure that the buy side's done. There may be a retracement, and if it does, then I may look for a buy opportunity. If this thing can retrace through Asian session and then Europe tonight down here, then I might look for a buy opportunity, as long as there can be a low risk trade. But we'll have to wait and see. Going to watch it though, but nothing there right now. Pound CAD has made a 1 hour buy. It has come back into where it needs to be for a buy. I'm going to look, but again, that's lurking. We are only 140, actually 130 something away from the yearly pivot. So I got a feeling that's probably coming down there. Now this may push up tonight back up into here and then sell off, and then that would be coming down. So I'm going to keep an eye on that one for a buy, low risk buy, where it's at right now actually 168.85, basically 15.85. That's 30 plus the spread, $34. So it's a little bit more than where it needs to be for me on the risk. So I'm debating whether to take this and then have this, well actually this low as my stop, which would make it 168.97, 318, about $22 risk. So that's a little bit more in line. So I may look at taking this one long with my stop over here at this low, because I got a feeling if it takes that out, then it's going lower, and this is where we're heading. But it may not be today or tomorrow even. I'm looking, there could be some kind of retrace up and then sell off back down in there before it turns around for a really good move. But as long as it's low risk, I'm willing to take it. On the pound CAD. Pound yen, I'm only looking for sales, is actually into a buy. Came back down into the buy right there, and it's pushed up. So nothing to do for me on the pound yen, because I'm only looking for sales on the pound yen, the CAD yen, euro yen, and the odd yen. That's all I'm looking for is sales. Euro New Zealand is in a sale. Still, did it come down to anything? Yeah, we're still too far away. So, and it didn't get up to the, I'm going to switch it to the 4 hour and see what that looks like. Interesting. It almost looks like that's where that's heading, is up to here. So I may look for a buy opportunity on the Euro New Zealand. But I'd rather it pull back down into here somewhere before that happens. So there's nothing to do on the Euro New Zealand right now. Nothing to do. Pound New Zealand has got a buy. It pulled down into it. I may actually take that, because that would be the stop is right there. That low is 208. It's 208.36. It's trading at 55.19 plus 6. So it's a $25 risk almost, but actually about 24 and some change. So that would be my stop. So I may look at taking that one. That looks better than the Euro New Zealand for a long there. New Zealand yen, I'll only be looking for a sell, and the sell is right there. So where are we at in the plot? That looks like that's where that's heading. It's got 190 something away from that. Now this retracement could be small. It could just retrace down into here, but that's still over 100 pips. And I'm only taking sales, so actually that high would be my stop. And that high is 67. It's trading at 61. So that would be a $9 risk. I'm going to go ahead and take this sale. I think I just worry about that might be too close. Yeah, for $9, I'm taking this sale, New Zealand yen sale, because actually it's less than that now, isn't it? Yep, about eight something on the sale. So that's worth the risk right there. If it takes that out, then it's probably heading higher, much higher. The Euro Aussie has made a 1 hour buy. Where are we at? Up, that looks like where that may be where we're heading down here, but it's still got 340 something to go there, so that's a ways. This could be just a retracement on the buy, but I will keep an eye on that one for a buy opportunity. Euro CAD, another one for a buy opportunity, because it's below the yearly pivot. So I'm going to keep an eye on that for a low risk trade, which is actually might be there right now. 145.84.7. Yes, it is. I'm going to go ahead and take that too, that long. Euro CAD. Because it's only $9 and something risk right now. So I'm willing to take that. Euro CAD long. Oh, I need to write these down. What did I do with my pen? What did I do with my pen? Okay, it was the Euro CAD and New Zealand yen and the pound New Zealand, right? Yeah, pound New Zealand, and the other one was the pound CAD. Yep, pound CAD. That was the 4. Okay, so there's only one short, and that's the New Zealand yen. The rest of them are buys with low risk trades, so I'm not going to lose much. If I lose even all 4 of them, I won't lose much. So I have to take those trades. You have to follow your plan. If you feel comfortable with it, which I'm willing to, that's what I look for, low risk trades like that. Because yeah, I don't want to be losing hundreds of pips, have 100, 150 pips stop. Don't want to do that. So we'll look at the pound Aussie. It's made a buy. No, there we go, lurking down here. Now that is still 520 something away. So, but that's the stop. I think I'm going to take this one too. The pound Aussie long. That low is 91.27 almost. Yep, 91.27. And it's at 44.17. $20 risk right now. Okay. I'm taking that one too. A pound Aussie. Because all of these are low risk. The New Zealand yen is 8 something. I think I had another one that was 9 something. Yeah, even if I lost all 5 of these, it is not going to be a big loss. So I have to take those. Surely one of them is going to do it. If it does like it's supposed to, then that one win is going to totally wipe out the rest of them, and I'll make money. CAD yen's looking for a sell. I don't particularly like that one. That's what I'm looking for. That's where it's heading, is right there. And it's only about 60 away. So I'm looking for a sell right there on the CAD yen when it gets to there, which could be tomorrow. Euro yen, it's made a sell, but I'm already in the New Zealand yen and looking for the CAD yen, so I don't want no more yens. And the Aussie yen, looking for a sale on it too, but I'm already in the other ones. And there's the that is only, the yearly pivot is only 115 away. So I'm waiting for it to go there so I can sell it. Has it been up there? Yep, it sure did. There, look, it's already hit it once. And you see what happened. See how important that is? The yearly pivot, how important. Went up there and hit it and it exploded to the downside. That move is over 300 pips down to that low. It's over 300. And usually we come back and retest it and possibly even close a little bit above it before it sells off again. So I'm going to be looking for that, even though it has made a sell signal now. So let's see, what's the low risk? That high is 90. It's at 82. I got to take that. I've got to take this one. The odd yen short. Okay. I'm in 6. In 6. Okay. Well, that's it for those. Remember, this is for trading, education purposes only. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Currency trading is very risky. So yep, please don't follow my signals blindly. Do your own research. That way you learn. And that's what I want. I want for you to learn to where when you're trading successfully, you don't need me anymore. Because now you've learned. The education has come into fruition. And that's the goal for everybody out there in YouTube land. Which, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm not begging for subscribes. It just lets me know that I'm actually helping some people. And I did have a couple people message me over the weekend thanking me for kind of changing their direction in trading, because they had actually been trading like I used to trade. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute charts. And I blew 2 accounts doing that, and we'll never go back to that ever. And trading, swing trading since 2007, and here we are in 2024, 17 years, and still successful. There's no reason to look back. I won't ever go back to that. And I tell people, don't even trade that way, using those minutes, because I don't know of anybody in YouTube land out there that are traders that are making money, or that can really prove that they're making money using those short time frames like that. Because yeah, I know there's people gonna message me and say, well, they've got so many wins and losses that they show on their YouTube channel screen, but I've told you this before. Ask them how many pips they got in total, and then you can divide that up into the number of trades they took, wins, losses, and break-evens. And more than likely, it's going to be anywhere from 8 to 10 pips, which you can't make money on consistently because you got to be too perfect. So this video will be posted in about 15 minutes, and we'll have another video hopefully tomorrow.